Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we have a lot to go over. We've got good deals, coupon matchups, freebies, glitches, plus I have a 5 off $25 scenario to share with you all at the end. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded several other videos for you all this week, so if you missed out on any of them, please make sure that you go back and check them out. I'm going to have them all linked and listed for you in the pinned comment down below. And I also want to give a big shout out and thank you to these awesome Craz-E couponers who were the first 3 people to comment on my last video. So big shout out and thank you to Crystal, Christina, and Cindy. Thanks so much guys, you rock. Alright guys, so jumping right in, first up we have a couple of sales going on this week at Family Dollar. We have the tabletop decor, which is on sale this week for 50% off. And then we also have a sale on some lamps and picture frames. Those are 40% off. Now, I've also received a few emails this week from a couple of Craz-E couponers who would rather not be mentioned, but thank you so much for the heads up. They went to their Family Dollar and found a lot of amazing clearance items on things like electronics, clothes, and even food items. So when you do go out to Family Dollar, make sure that you check out the entire store, and don't forget that you can scan with your Family Dollar app to price check before you go up to the register. Now, once I get these videos uploaded for you all, I'm going to be taking a trip out to my local Family Dollar. It's a little bit out of the way for me, but that's okay. If there's some amazing clearance out there, I do not mind a drive. So, be on the lookout. I may be posting a second Family Dollar video for you all later on today. If I don't find, but just a couple of little things here or there, I will just make a post about it on the community tab. Alright guys, now let's go ahead and jump back into this video. As you guys can see, I'm just kind of scrolling these coupon matchups across your screen here because there are quite a few really good coupon matchups at Family Dollar right now. And the good thing about Family Dollar couponing is that these coupon matchups will stick around for a few weeks. A lot of them don't expire for 2 and 3 weeks, even 4 weeks. So y'all just keep that in mind, and I am getting back on schedule finally, so we'll be back to having our weekly Family Dollar videos. Hopefully I'll have those uploaded by Wednesday, at the latest Thursday. But the big thing is that we're kind of wrapping up soccer season now, so I'm not going to have as many away games. We won't be traveling as much. Let me just go ahead and tell you all, the older I get, the harder it is to go to those away games and drive home late and, just do all of the things. So thank you guys for hanging in there with me. I really do appreciate it, but just know that we will be getting back on schedule. Next week, I'm going to try to have Family Dollar up by Wednesday or Thursday, and that way it leaves Friday open for our Dollar General 5 off $25 scenarios. Alright guys, so I'm going to quit rambling on. I'm going to turn on a little music, and I'm going to let you guys check out all of these coupon matchups, and I'll be back with you all here in just a few minutes. Alright guys, so I'm back and now we're going to talk about a couple of quick freebies that you can pick up at Family Dollar right now. So first up, we've got this $1.50 off one digital coupon for any Dove product. This coupon is glitching and working on the Dove Original 1-count bar soaps. These are going to either be priced at $1 or $1.25 depending on your store. Now, unfortunately, at Family Dollar, we do not get any overage, but this coupon will make this product absolutely free. Now, next up, we also have this $1.50 off one digital coupon on the Glad trash bags. This coupon is glitching and also working on the $1 or $1.25 Glad trash bags. So I found 3 different ones that will work with this coupon. So just make sure that you scan them when you're in the store to make sure that that coupon shows up underneath the product. Alright, now we're going to go over a quick 5 off $25 scenario. So for this one, you want to pick up one of these Scott paper towels for $6.50, one of the finished 14-count dishwasher tablets at $3.65, one of the Glad trash bags priced at $1.25, 2 of the Got2b curl creams at $3 each, one of the Schick disposable razors at $6.50, and one of the Dove bar soaps for $1.25. And that's going to put your subtotal at $25.15. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 1 off 1 Scott paper towels, the $1.50 off 1 finished dishwasher tablets, the $1.50 off 1 Glad trash bags, that's going to take off $1.25, the 5 off 2 Got2b styling products, the 4 off 1 Schick razors, the $1.50 off 1 Dove product, that's going to take off another $1.25, and your subtotal after coupons will be just $6.15 for 7 items. Then you're going to send me a receipt to Ibotta and get 75 cents back on the finished dishwasher tablets, and that is going to make your final price just $5.40 for all 7 items, making each one just 77 cents each. I think that's a great deal considering that those Scott paper towels are $6.50 all by themselves. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for me for now, but y'all make sure that you stick around because I will have our Dollar General 5 off $25 scenario video coming up next. So before you go, if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and make sure that you turn on those notifications. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.